The idea of fasting can be very intimidating. The huge volumes of information can create anxiety about the right way to fast. The truth is, there are hundreds of approaches. The best way is whatever works best for you. We are not doctors or dietitians, but we do have some experience and wanted to share a couple things that made our fasts easier. Mental preparation is key to everything, and fasting is no different. Be kind to yourself and do not compare your experience to anyone else's. Whether you find fasting easy or difficult depends on a host of complex factors that are constantly changing. First, set your intention. Are you hoping to give your digestive system a break? Stabilize your blood sugar? Or maybe something else? Know your purpose and remind yourself regularly. Notes on your mirror, scheduled reminders, or random notifications can help. Second, set a goal for the number of hours you want to fast, but be willing to change the goal as you listen to your body. It is normal to feel hungry. It is not normal to feel sick and lightheaded. In deciding on a goal, you may want to consult with the doctor, and definitely should if you have any health conditions. Our third tip for mental preparation is to fast with others. That's why we've created the Redmond Fasting Group on Facebook. Fasting can be a roller coaster. Having friends fasting with you and cheering you on will help push you through the rough patches. Now let's talk about preparing your body. Special preparation is not required, but some simple steps can make it a lot easier. First, do some pre-fast meal prep. There is no required pre-fast meal, but your body will enter ketosis faster if you eat low-carb meals the day or two before your fast. Keep your portion sizes a little less than normal. If you are new to fasting, your panic brain may tell you to eat as much as you can while you can, but overeating is not good for you, and we have found that hunger pains are actually worse if we eat a lot right before starting a fast. Our second tip in this category is post-fast meal prep. Do not plan a carb-filled feast, no matter how hungry you think you feel. If you only skipped a meal or two, break your fast with a small, well-balanced meal. If you're finishing a prolonged fast, plan to break it with bone broth, a small piece of lean protein, or maybe an egg, and then wait. Wait a couple hours and see how you feel before eating more. If it's evening, go to bed and plan for a small, healthy breakfast in the morning. Our third tip for preparing your body answers a question we frequently get asked about exercising while fasting. Your body will benefit from exercise during your fast, but it is not required. And whether your exercise is a leisurely walk or intense interval training session depends on your situation. Fasting less than 40 hours likely won't require a big change in your exercise routine. But if you're planning for a longer fast, you should adjust your intensity. Slow down the treadmill, use less resistance, and stop when your body tells you to stop. Hopefully you feel a little more excited about fasting with these tips for mental and physical preparation. But now let's chat about some tools that'll make your fasting experience even more enjoyable. Electrolytes are the #1 tool in your fasting belt. Staying hydrated is key to a successful fast and an essential part of the hydration equation. The primary electrolytes are sodium, chloride, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. The Relight family of electrolytes provides the best mix of all of these. Your next tools are zero or very low-calorie drinks. Most fast experts agree that a clean fast can include black coffee, black or green tea, and most herbal teas, but don't add any cream or sweeteners. You can also make a flavored broth from hot water and real salt, organic seasoned salt. Whatever you choose, stick to clean ingredients. The next helpful tool on our list is to stay busy. Whether your typical habit is to eat slowly or eat as fast as you can, fasting will free up some time in your schedule that you previously spent on food prep, eating, and cleaning up. Planning in advance to make use of this and any other time you have will help keep your mind off food. Schedule time to catch up with a friend, tackle a home or yard project, and enjoy more time to practice yoga or meditation. While record keeping is not required, it can be really motivating to see a timer add up the hours and compare your current fast to previous fasts. You can use any method that works for you, phone app, spreadsheet, or just a notebook. If you want more from your fast, or you're just ready to step up your fasting game, there's some equipment that can measure glucose, ketones, blood pressure, weight, and other health indicators. Monitoring is not required unless you have a medical condition or your doctor recommends it, but it can be very satisfying to see the numbers change for the better. Be sure to take your measurements before you start to create a baseline. Hopefully these tips help you keep it simple. Your fasting experience will be unique. Be patient, kind, and curious as you get to know yourself better. And remember to live your journey.